Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Untitled Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the theme options available within Flamini for WordPress. So to begin with, we're going to head to the theme options. Now these can be found under Customize here or via Appearance Customize in your dashboard. Now once you're here, you'll see a number of options available. Obviously the theme is quite simple, so the options do reflect that. Basically we can go through these one by one so you get an idea of what they do. So to begin with, at the top here we've got the update settings. This is where you can apply your API key and username so that you can receive updates direct to your installation. If you're looking for more information on that, do click the link provided for specific instructions. Below this we've got the site identity area. This is where you can specify your own logo as well as the site title, tagline and favicon. Now the logo itself will be made sideways for you as part of the design, so you don't need to worry too much about providing anything specific. Just stick to the dimensions provided in the documentation and you should be okay. And below this we've got the color area, so you can specify things like different accent colors. So if you want the links and things like that to be specifically a different color, you can set that up here, as well as things like the background for the body font color and so on. Below this we've got the background image area. Now this can apply a nice background image to the body of the area, not the header. So if you're, I suppose the best result here might be to use something like a nice pattern if you want to put one there. Next up we've got the menus area, and now this is where you can set up and create your own menus. I personally prefer to use the dedicated area available under Appearance and Menus, which gives you a bit more room to breathe. However, you can choose to build them here if you prefer. Next up we've got the widgets, where again you can set up the widgets that are available in the footer, etc. Again, I prefer to use the dedicated area, just a bit more room to play with. Below this we've got the homepage settings. This is where you can choose to have your homepage be like your latest post, like a regular blog, or like in the demo, a static page. Below that, if you're a bit of a developer, you can choose to insert your own additional CSS for styling specific elements as you wish. And under the styling settings, this is where you can change the font as you want. Now the idea with replacing the font is quite simple. I'll just take you through an example now. So if I just head to Google Fonts, I'm going to replace the body font at the moment, so I'll choose something really obvious. Oswald. Now when you're replacing the font, actually I'll choose two, because we're going to replace the accent font and the body font, so there you go, that will do. Now when you are replacing the font, obviously make your choice for the font weights you want. The part you want to copy over is this part here. So you don't need the full blurb, you just want the actual font part of it here. So if I copy that over, right click and copy, and head to our theme options, we can paste that in, and to see the changes we're going to want to replace the font names as well. So the body font, which is used in most places, we'll change that to Oswald, and for the accent font we'll change that. I'm not going to try and pronounce that, but there you go, you can see here the font has now changed exactly as we wanted. And actually, to be fair, that font looks quite cool. But yeah, anyway, that's how that works. Next up we've got the blog settings, so here you can choose whether or not to show the metadata and post tags within posts. And finally we've got the portfolio settings, where you can choose the layout for your portfolio items. And that's it. If you don't have any options, then any questions, do come see me over at support. I should point out we do change the options sometimes, so you'll find additional ones maybe than what you see here in this video, and that's fine. But if you do have any questions, do come see me over at support. Thanks for watching.